So this is a really big, scary, confusing circuit here, but we're going to make it. If you can just kind of follow the flow of how the gas works, then that's what I'm going to show you now. So come on up just a little bit. The first thing I want you to see is this is where the gas is going out, all right? And then it's going to go in here, and that's where it's going to pick up moisture. And then you can kind of get up close right here and see that. That's a little purge air. I'm going to explain that in just a second. All right, so just kind of watch me here. Oh, come on up a little more closer, one more thing. Okay, so there's just a big metal plate down inside there, okay? It's going to get hot, and it's going to make this hot. All right, so just kind of, we're going to put it in. It's sort of like putting in a cassette tape, if any of you remember that at all. But okay, so it pops in place like this. Okay, so we're just going to close this up. Right. So now, the gas is going to come out of the ventilator, so we're going to plug that in right there. All right, gas comes out, is going to go to the humidifier and just pick up some water. And then the circuit, come up kind of close one more time. You may be able to see there's kind of a blue and a white wire. The blue wire is the heater wire. It's what heats everything up, and the white wire is just a temperature probe. And then this right here, this is going to go to your water supply. And then come and just get a good shot of that right there. You see where that says water pump? So what we're going to do is put our tubing in here. All right. Easier said than done. I'm doing it at an angle. There we go. And then this is just going to connect to your bag of water. And what this water pump does is it just kind of feeds it in. Okay, so now we've got air coming and picking up water, and now it's taking that humidified air down to the patient. So now we still have that little purge thing right here. Okay, so we're going to hook up this little tubing where it says purge, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to connect this part to the patient box. This is where it actually cuts. This is where the patient box cuts that into small pieces. And so what we do to put that on, you just kind of press the blue button here at the same time and hold your tongue just right and kind of press that back. And then this tube right here, it says from purge. I'm just going to put that on there like that. Okay, and then here, we're almost done. So here is your circuit. Right here, this is kind of a test circuit, so it looks kind of funny. And one more thing I got to hook up, and that's this piece here to the side where it says to pressure monitoring tube. Okay, so now what is happening, the reason that we had this purge right here is because it sends a constant flow of air down through the circuit and connects to the box. Then the box then, every 15 seconds, will send bursts of air through this tubing here. And this is where the jet, this tubing right here is where the jet actually monitors the pressure, and that pressure is going to be reflected right up here. Now back on me just for a second. So that's just a really quick overview of how we set up the jet circuit.